PyDev is a Python IDE extension for Eclipse that may be used in Python development. There are several ways to install the extension in Eclipse. Let's look at the easiest way. Step 1. Launch Eclipse. Click on the Eclipse desktop icon or the Eclipse in the Start menu. Step 2. Open Eclipse Marketplace. In Eclipse, go to the Help menu and click the Eclipse Marketplace menu option. Type PyDev in the Find text box and click on the Go button. Step 3. Install the extension. Click on the Install button to install it. This will install the extension in your Eclipse. Once done, restart the Eclipse IDE.